I had found this recipe a while ago. A friend of mine had shared a recipe for a buffalo meatball, and it was a keto buffalo meatball. And the really cool part was that instead of using egg in the meatball, all it was holding together it was our zucchini. And I'm like, this is not going to work. And lo and behold, it does. So I just had fun using my paring knife to open up my ground turkey. We're going to put that in our bowl. We are then going to take our grater. So you want a grater. You want like a cheese grater that you're going to be using. And again, to save a step, we're going to shred our zucchini directly into our bowl. So we're going to take our small zucchini here, and we are just going to shred it all up. I don't really use the insides of it, I just use the outside, so when I get down about halfway, I just cut out the seeds. There are theories out there that your seeds of your zucchini are inflammatory. So this is the funny part. So your seeds in your skin are inflammatory, so technically you're only supposed to have the inside part of the zucchini without it. So I guess either way, we're having something inflammatory going on here, but cooking-wise, for some reason, I like to just take the outside of it, which again is counterintuitive since I've been telling you not to take more than one layer of the onion off when we're peeling them, right? Anyhow, so we're going to mince up some garlic here, and these are little baby cloves, so I'm actually going to use 2 of them. I'm laying down our bed of salt first. I am cutting the tips off of our little garlics here. We're going to mince them up, and I am just randomly chopping them. I am just having a little chopping party here. And then we're also going to add our Primal Kitchen buffalo sauce with avocado oil into this. There's no dairy in this. It's fabulous. You get all the flavor without the heaviness that dairy adds to it. You're going to mix it all up. Make sure you make some of it fly out of the bowl while you're doing it too, otherwise it's not going to taste the same, okay? I am not a neat chef or a neat cook. I do make a mess. So now if this was a regular meatloaf that you were doing, you would shape it into a loaf at this point. However, we're going to make 4 mini loaves right now. And in that case, we are going to eyeball it, and we're going to break it in half. And then we're going to break this mixture into 4ths. And then we're going to form them into loaves. I've noticed if you were using ground chicken instead, it's a lot stickier, so you would have to add some water to your hands if you're using beef. But look, you're going to make little baby meatloaves. And 2 bonuses, if you are making meal prep, this makes it super easy to divide your meatloaf up. If you're making this for a family and you have little ones or maybe even adolescents who may be saying, they got more than I did, or theirs is bigger. Well, this way, everybody's getting the same size. So we have our loaves, and you're going to notice I made them kind of thin, and that is to expedite our cooking. So it's only going to take us 15 minutes for these guys to cook. Let's get these guys in the oven. And we can look at our cauliflower right now, and you can tell it's beginning to cook, but we definitely have another 15 minutes left on that, maybe a little bit more, which is what we're looking for when we're doing this anyhow. So let's change our timer to 15 minutes. And wait and see what happens.